this at home. Make sure that Now, before I show you these 5 winner products, I do want to let you know we are doing a giveaway for a free customized Shopify store built by me and my team. If you want access to this customized store for free, all you got to do is make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Number 2, hit that like button and comment down the word Shopify 2023. In last week's video, you guys went crazy in the comments, and I'm going to choose a winner for the store right now. The winner that first caught my eye is Free Point Gaming. He said, Shopify 2023. I got my first store set up and running, doing the whole trial and error process, and I'll definitely add you to the info library. Thanks. First of all, thank you to all the comments and the support recently, and congratulations to Free Point Gaming. Message me on Instagram at RealSamJacobs, and I'll get you over that store that I promised. I know how tough it could be to start on your own without any help, and that's why I'm giving back and creating these YouTube videos. I think YouTube pays me like $50 a month to do this, so the thing that's keeping me running is you guys. So with that, let's go over these top 5 products. I hope you guys enjoy. Now, the first product on the list is a very cool one. Let's take a look at what it does. I'm showing you guys the ad copies, I'm showing you the videos, and we're gonna go over the website to see how much they're selling them for. Each product is different and it gets better as the video goes on, so make sure you stay to the end. So take a look at this product. So pretty cool product. I couldn't show most of it because it shows a lot of woman's skin, and I usually do not like to show that on this channel so YouTube doesn't flag me. But we're looking at the product over here. They're selling it for only $12.99. It's a portable electric neck massager, which is pretty cool to see what it does over here. You can literally put it anywhere on the body. You can put it on the neck, you can put it on the legs, you can put it on the arms, whatever you want to use this product for, and it's probably very satisfying. I can see this go viral over on TikTok, or you can even run TikTok ads, Facebook ads. Those are all great platforms to run your advertisements and bring you sales. It looks like there's 2 different variants, a battery charger and a USB charger. Now, looking over on AliExpress, it seems like this is super cheap. It looks like it's going for anywhere between $1 to $5 or so. Now, looking at the actual listing, it seems like they're selling it for $2.59 with free shipping. So a really good profit margin. I would probably sell this for around $19.99. Now, as a bonus, all the links will be in the description below for the AliExpress and for these products, so go ahead and check that out if you want any information about them. If I didn't leave an AliExpress link, it's just because I couldn't find it or I was too lazy. I have a business to run, but I still love you guys. Product number 2 is a pretty cool one, and I think the LED industry is really popping off.
I was getting bored of my old LEDs, so I replaced them with a Space Buddy projector. This is actually so much better. There are so many colors. Which color do you like the most? Get yours 50% off today.
So pretty cool product. I think a really good niche to start for TikTok is actually LEDs and star lights like this. Let's take a look at the actual product page. You can see got 13,000 likes, 2,000 shares, 1,600 comments. It is a little bit saturated, but any products like this that does something cool to the room that you can make videos in your room can do well. LED products are crushing it right now. Let's look at the product on the product page itself. As you can see, they're selling it for $59, and this is actually a really nice website that I'd learn from. They're going ahead and really doing a great job at showing the product off. As you can see, they're really not even doing any much at all. Like, there's no description really, which is really good, right? They have the small details, but today most people just look at images and GIFs and decide if they should add it to the cart or not. Okay, they're doing a great job overall at showing off the product in the correct way, and overall I'm sure they're getting this for probably less than 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and check how much they're getting it for. So as you can see, they're getting it for around $20 and selling it for $59.99. That's a really good profit margin. Products like this that do LEDs in your room is a really great product for TikTok, and you can definitely sell related products as well. If you can find maybe a teddy bear that, you know, that does the lights, or any character, that can be a really good product. Many times I'll take products that are doing well out there right now and find related ones that can do well as well. Now this product is actually really, really cool. Take a look. So as you can see, this product can actually go crazy viral over on TikTok. It's really doing well on Facebook, but I think this is a TikTok product that hasn't really hit the market yet. Imagine you make videos of putting your hand in fire, and please do not try this at home. Make sure that you got the fire department next to you. But make sure that if you are gonna bring this to TikTok, try to do really, really cool things. Again, please do not do anything to endanger yourself. But overall, I can see this go viral on TikTok. If you look at their website, it seems like they are doing a great job as well showing this product. If you buy 2, you get 1 free, which is a great offer. It looks like they built this probably on Pagefly or something like that. I really, really like their website. They're doing a great job. They're probably not even running any TikTok ads. So here is a product that's working on Facebook that you can bring it over to TikTok. Now, as you can see on AliExpress, there's a lot of different options over here. I don't know exactly which one is fireproof and whatnot, so you need to look into it, but there is a bunch of different variants, usually around $10 or less, and then you can go ahead and sell it just like them. They're selling it for $47.95, so really, really good profit margin. Okay, so again, you need to make sure that the product is actually good. I would suggest order it either from here or from Amazon to test it for yourself before you start selling it, because the last thing you want is to sell something that doesn't work. Also, keep in mind to make sure you put a disclaimer on your website. Now, I am no lawyer, so I can't give you any advice when it comes to legalities, but I would recommend to make sure that you properly protect yourself if you're going to sell this product. If anyone gets hurt with this product, you do not want to be liable. So go ahead and do what you got to do with that. I'm just giving you guys products that I would suggest that I would sell. You guys can do as you will. Now, product number 4 on the list is a really cool niche, okay? Like I said, I promised you, the products just get better and better. Let's take a look at this.
Every anime fan needs this. I'm in love. What are you waiting for? Get yours 50% off today.
So as you can see, anime is taking over. There's a lot of anime stores popping up, and I think it's a really good niche because the people in anime are very, very fan favorites. They love anime with a passion, and that's why it's such a good niche. I like to sell products that go ahead and scream wow for the particular audience I'm trying to sell it to. For example, anime products scream wow to anime lovers and fans. So they're going ahead and selling these LEDs for anime, and as you can see over here, let's go ahead and go to any of them. They have all different types of products. They're selling for $49.99. Let's go ahead and see in AliExpress if they have any of these products. Now, as you can see, if I type in anime LEDs on AliExpress, they have a bunch of different options here. I don't think these are too big. I would suggest that you look a little deeper and try to find a product that will match what is currently selling on this website over here. I don't know how big these are, but it doesn't look too big. Last thing you want is for people to order it and then expect it to be bigger. So again, I would look into this product and even message the supplier. Now, last but not least is these magnetic wireless power banks. Take a look.
The trick is when you pull this off, push this little button, it turns on and becomes a wireless portable charger. Grab it, take it anywhere, and have a charger on hand at all times.
So it's a really cool portable charger. Portable chargers in a whole do great because especially when people are on TikTok all day long and wasting their time on their phone, which you guys don't do, right? Everyone is productive, hopefully, and I hope you guys are crushing it with your business. I'm here for you whenever you guys need. Let's take a look at the website. As you can see, there's a lot of wrong things on this website, like there's pop-ups after pop-ups. Guys, please remove all the pop-ups on your store. It looks pretty spammy unless it looks nice. But over here, it looks like they're not even selling it in the US. I don't know what SR stands for. I guess I have to click this in order to go for English, but it makes it super complicated. Overall, they're not doing a great job at advertising this product but they did get a lot of views. They got 377,000 views, and they got 562 likes. Really, really great views. It could have been that they bought it, but I could see that the power bank products could do well. I would suggest looking into these products. Power banks and portable chargers can do really well. Again, you want to find a product that screams wow, so do not try to sell portable chargers that are cheap looking. A product like this does look more expensive, and that's the only reason why I would look to sell something like this. Now, this is the actual product. They're selling it for $12.72. You can go ahead and sell this on your website for $49.99, $39.99 with no issues at all. I think this is a really cool branded product, and that's why I put it last for you guys to enjoy and create a brand out of this. I'd be very interested to see if someone can actually build a brand out of a product like this. Again, you don't want to be drop shipping. You don't want to look too spammy. You want to make sure your websites look professional. You want it to look good, and that is the key. Of course, remember that just because I showed you guys 5 winner products doesn't mean that you're going to be successful with it. It's important to remember, in order to be successful with dropshipping, you need to have a good looking website and really good creatives and a good marketing strategy. And if you are looking to level up in 2023 and you want to learn each step of the process and want me to personally help you throughout the entire process, there will be an application link in the description below. Click on it, you'll be able to schedule a time that works best for you, and we're gonna get on a call and to see if you got what it takes. Full transparency, my programs cost anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000, and it's something that I get hundreds of requests every single week for, so I'm very particular on who I bring into the program. That's why my mentorship is application only, so you have to click the link to apply. We'll get on a call and we'll see if you got what it takes. I'm looking forward to speaking with you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.